Executive 50 final. Ayan na. Wow, whole shot. Oy, Jono Villena, get the whole shot. Ayan o. Ayan, Uncle Jerry Rosal nasa ikatulong pwesto. Ayan, Executive 50, Jono Villena nakauna. Jerry Rosal nasa ikatulo. Manny Apolokyo ikaapat. Yan, Executive 50, Executive 50. So Nadia, Jonathan Coyos, Kadong Moraes. Oy, tumba isa, tumba. Ayan, oy, oy, munti ka na dong matumba ang ikadua. Ayan. So Jerry Rosal nasa ikatulo from Davao City. Ayun no. Ayan, Jono Villena, the big boss. Oy, nakuha. Nakuha si Uncle Jeros ni Manny Apolokyo. Ayan. Oy. Yan, number 11 niya Kitim ang ikaduha. Ikatulo, Manny Apolokyo. Ikaapat, Jerry Rosal. This is Executive 50. Executive 50 here at Kamulan Grandstand, Balay City, Bukidnon. Ayan o. Ayan. Oops, inner. Ayan, nakuha. Jono Villena. Oy, surrender na. Oy, munti ka na doon. Sir Jono Villena. Ayan, nakauna. KTM number 11, followed by Manny Apolokyo. Ikatulo, it's Jerry Rosal or Jeros. Ayan. Oops. Yan, so sorry guys, wala ko kailangan ng kauna. Yan, Manny Apolokyo, Jerry Rosal. Yun o. Ikaapat, number 12, KX. Yan. Jerry Rosal. Ayan o. So Nada, Jonathan Coyos from Medellin, Cebu, and Kadong Moraes from Pagadian. Sir Jono Villena. Ayan. Inner. Inner. White flag for Executive 50. Oy. Second, Manny Apolokyo. Third, Jeros. Ayun no. Manny Apolokyo. Oy, tum. Oy, tumba. Jeros. Agay, kol. Natumba ba dyan ka, kol? Agay. Tumba. Op. Up. Nahubog. Ayan. Mahabol, Jeros. Ayan. Oy, napalong ang isa. Sayang. Yan. So checkered flag. Second, Manny Apolokyo. Third, kinsay third ani? Third, it's Jonathan Coyos. Yan. Third, Jonathan Coyos. Checkered flag. Yan o. Fourth, fifth, it's Cheros and sixth, it's Karong Rice. So thank you for watching guys.